Hi, it's Jacqueline. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here in sunny Hawaii where the weather is amazing 12 months a year, always sunny and amazing. I'm actually sitting outside by the pool in my friend's subdivision, and if you hear any planes, forgive me, that's the norm. There's always some kind of plane flying overhead, and that's because there's a strong army influence in Hawaii. But anyways, I'm just here, I'm unboxing this bad boy here today. So lately while I've been here, I've been trying to vlog, but my camera keeps on running out of memory. I'm trying to do stuff, it's shutting down on me, it's annoying. So I picked up an iPad, 128 gigabytes here. I'm just gonna open it up for you. Take off the plastic. Put that to the side. It's kind of windy too. I don't know how the video is gonna sound. And then this box opens from the top. Just like that. Come on, open. Okay, so inside the box we have our charger and we have our cord. This is an instruction manual, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna have to read this. And if any of my subbies are good with editing or know anything, oh, there goes the plane. We could ignore that about editing or how to use this. Please comment down below and let me know because I struggle with editing. It's not even funny. So here's what it looks like. I have the silver one. Pretty cute. It looks like it weighs about a pound. Let me take off this protective plastic. So because I have the 6th generation one, it comes with this home button right here. As far as I know, some of the newer versions aren't being made with that, but I got the 6th generations for now. This is more than good enough for me. I don't need the latest and the greatest because I'm just learning how to use it. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna charge it up and give it a try. I'm gonna try to edit this video with iMovie because I hear iMovie is amazing to edit with. And this is compact enough so I could pretty much just stick it in my purse and take it anywhere, and hopefully that helps. So just to tell you a bit about what I can actually see. On the top, there's a port for speaker. On the side, there's your volume up and down button. On the bottom, that's where you would charge it. And these two down here are the speakers. So let me just turn it on. I'm gonna have to set it up. I'm not gonna set it up on camera, but let me just turn it on and see what happens. It's coming up in Hawaiian. It's saying hola. So there's that. Alo is all the different languages. So I'm gonna set this up later. But while I'm doing that, I can tell you that on this list that I have here beside me, got an 8 megapixel camera. You can FaceTime on this. It's got a retina display. The length of it is 9.7 inches. You can also get, which I will get later on when I get back home, the keypad that I can use with this to make it easier to navigate. And it also supports Apple Pencil. It weighs 1.5 pounds, as I said earlier. And these are pretty much, you can do iPad to iPad. It's got Bluetooth technology, Apple Pay, sensors, all kinds of stuff. And as I said, if anybody has this or anything similar that can leave me some tips below on how to use this thing, that will be greatly appreciated because I do struggle with technology. I'm trying, but as always, I'm a work in progress. I booted it up. And it's pretty cool because already I can start using it right away. It comes with 82% of battery life. It also has Siri, which you can use your voice to send messages, set reminders. You could use it hands-free. It's got all kinds of cool little things I can use it for. Again, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.